back to our channel. So in today's session we'll discuss one more topic in automata theory, that is leftmost derivation tree and rightmost derivation tree. So in the previous session we have discussed about the derivation tree or a parse tree, so where we have to derive the string from the production rules, and in that we are just substituting the production rules to get the required string, and we have constructed the parse tree or a derivation tree. So there we have seen the three vertex, that is a root vertex and then leaf vertex or the intermediate vertex, and the string will be completely with the terminals, and by using the production rules we are supposed to derive the complete string. And today we will go with the left derivation tree and right derivation tree. So simply I will write it as a types of a derivation tree. Types of a derivation tree. So here it is a leftmost derivation tree and rightmost derivation tree. Right, two types of derivations. So what is the difference between these things, rightmost and leftmost? So if you are deriving or constructing the derivation tree, we are supposed to substitute the production rules, right, one by one. Now in the leftmost derivation tree, the derivation will be done from leftmost non-terminal in production rule, right? So I will tell you an example, so don't worry. So the derivation will be done from leftmost, right? We need to substitute the production rules from the leftmost non-terminals. And coming to the rightmost, so the same, the derivation will be done from rightmost non-terminal in production rule, right? So we are moving from leftmost non-terminal to the terminals, and here we will move with the rightmost. Example, let us take the productions. E tends to E plus E, and again E tends to E into E, where E tends to A or B or C. Okay, so this is the example. So we need to construct the rightmost derivation tree and the leftmost derivation tree for this particular grammar. And here the terminals are the terminals are plus, star, A, B and C. All these are the terminals. And non-terminals are E. Okay, only one non-terminal, that is E. So let us let us derive the thing. Okay, first let us derive the string. So for example, the string is A plus B into C. So this is the string. So we need to derive this string from this particular grammar. Now we'll see. I will start with E because E is a start symbol. So here we need to go from the leftmost. So E can be substituted with this production or this production, right? So I will go with this production. So E can be substituted with E plus E. Okay. So here we have to derive the string from the leftmost. So in this production or in this expression, we have to first substitute with the leftmost. So what is the leftmost? Here E is the leftmost. So first we need to substitute the production for E and then this E, because this is the leftmost. Okay. Now leftmost E, according to the given string, first one is A. Okay, A plus B into C. So this I will replace with A plus E. Now you can observe the leftmost non-terminal. So here the leftmost non-terminal is this one. Okay. Previously we are having two non-terminals, among these two non-terminals, the leftmost non-terminal is this one. So first we need to substitute this one. And the next, after getting the result, now again check for the leftmost non-terminal. So this is the leftmost non-terminal. Now according to the string B into C, so this will be given as A plus E into E. So I will substitute E into E. Now among these, what is the leftmost? What is the leftmost? So this is the leftmost. Now replace this E with B into E. Again, from this, what is the leftmost? This one is the leftmost because only one non-terminal is there, right? So A plus B into, what's the E value here? C. C is a non-terminal, right? So we have derived the given string. From the leftmost non-terminal, okay, by substituting the leftmost non-terminals. Now coming to the rightmost non-terminal, so take the same thing. So E, so I will substitute the same production here, E plus E, E plus E. Now what we have to do, we have to derive the given string from the rightmost non-terminal. So among these two, what is the rightmost? This one is the rightmost. First I have to substitute this one. So E plus, what we have to get? B into C. That means we can take this production E into E. So E into E. Now, so what is the next thing? Again we are having some three non-terminals, right? Three non-terminals. Among these three non-terminals, we have to substitute the terminal. We have to substitute the non-terminal from the rightmost. So what is the rightmost non-terminal? This one. So just give here C into E plus E, right? Now among these two, what is the next non-terminal? Rightmost. Rightmost means this one. So substitute here B into C plus E. Now what is the rightmost non-terminal? Only one terminal is here, so we can substitute here A plus B into C. So you can observe here, we have derived the same thing. By using the rightmost derivation tree. Okay, by rightmost derivation. So here we are deriving the string from the leftmost non-terminals, and here we are deriving the string from the rightmost non-terminal. So simply you can draw the tree. So E is a start symbol, that is a root vertex. From this we have divided into E plus E. Okay, and again we have derived the leftmost, right? So here we have given A, right? And this one we have derived again E into E. Now among this one, again we have to derive this one, B, and here it is C. Now read the leaves from the left to right. So A plus B into C. So automatically we got this string. Now just draw the tree for this. So I am taking E, and from E it was derived E plus E, and now rightmost. Okay, rightmost means this one. So again I have derived from here E star E, and now you can see this one a C, this one a B, and this one A. So even though both trees are common, so we have derived the string from the rightmost non-terminal here and from the leftmost non-terminal here. So here also you can observe here, just read the leaves from left to right, A plus B star C, right? So in both the cases we are getting the string, we are deriving the string, but only the difference is we are applying the production rules, substituting the production rules from the leftmost non-terminal and here from the rightmost non-terminal, right? So hope you understood this one. Let us move on with the next second example, and so that if you are still having any doubts, so it will be clarified. Now let us see the second example. So let us take this grammar, and the string is this one. So we will derive the string from the leftmost derivation using the rightmost derivation. So if you derive the string, automatically we can simply draw the diagram, right? So let us see the derivation first. Okay, after that you can simply construct the derivation tree. So let us take the leftmost derivation first. It will start with S. Okay, So S can be substituted with T 0 0 T. So here the terminals are 0 and 1. Terminals are 0 and 1, and non-terminals are S and T. Non-terminals are S and T. So we need to derive this string. Okay, we need to derive this string. First, let me consider S. I will start with the start symbol S, and S is substituted with the T 00 T. Right? Now, first, in the string, first symbol is 1. So you can replace. So it will be derived from the leftmost. Okay, leftmost means this one. First, we need to derive this one. So we can apply T with 1T because the string starts with 1. So 1T 00 T. And now here you can observe, now from these two non-terminals, what is the leftmost? So this T. Now you can observe this one. So first one, next one, it is 0. So we can replace the T with 0T 00 T. Okay. Now see, in our string there is a 3 zeros. So you have to substitute T so that we have to get the resultant 3 zeros. So automatically we can simply apply this epsilon. So this T is replaced with epsilon, right? So because this is the leftmost non-terminal in the given string. So 1 0 epsilon 00 T. So this can be written as 1 0 0 T. Now among this one, only one non-terminal is there, this one. Now what is the result? The next one is 1. So this will be substituted with 1T. So that 1, sorry. So 1 0 0 0 1T. Again we need to get 1. So again this will be substituted with 1 0 0 1 1T. Again we need to get one more T. So again this can be written as 1 0 0 1 1 1T. Now you can observe here the complete string was achieved. 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1. Now simply replace this T with the epsilon. So that 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 epsilon. So finally we will get the result 1 0 0 0 1 1 1. So this is the required string. So we are deriving this particular string. Okay, we are deriving this particular string by applying the leftmost derivation. So we are just substituting the non-terminals which are on the leftmost, okay, in the string. Now the same thing we can derive by using the rightmost. So let us start with the S and E. In the S we can represent T 0 0 T because there is no option, right? Only one production is there. Here among these two non-terminals, so as it is a rightmost derivation, we have to consider the rightmost non-terminal. So because this one, we need to consider this one, right? We need to consider this one. So you can simply use C 0 0. Okay. So in the string you can observe here there is a 0 0. So 0 0 is there. So we need to get one more 0. So simply you can go with a 0 T. Okay. So T 0 0 0 T. T 0 0 0 T. So among these two non-terminals, again this one, we need to create this one. So this can be replaced with 0 0 0 and next one is 1. So 1 T. So T 0 0 0. Okay, and this T can be again considered as 1 T because another one is there. And again rightmost, we are deriving the rightmost, right? Again you need to consider this one and T 0 0 0 1 1 1 T. Now you can observe here. So the string is ended with the 3 ones. So here also the string ends with 3 ones. So simply you can apply the epsilon here so that we will get T 0 0 1 1 1 epsilon. So which is nothing but T 0 0 0 1. So now there is no rightmost terminal. So there are no more than one non-terminal, right? It is having only one non-terminal. So we need to substitute this one. So the string will start with 1. So simply replace T with 1T 0 0 0 1 1 1. And you can observe here the string is 1 followed by 3 zeros and 3 ones. And here 1 followed by 3 zeros and 3 ones. There is our extra non-terminal. So simply you can replace this T with the epsilon. So the T with the epsilon 1 epsilon 0 0 0 1 1 1. So simply the result is 1 followed by 3 zeros and 3 ones. So we have generated this string, we have derived this string, required string, using the rightmost derivation, So here we are deriving the string from the leftmost derivation. That means substituting the leftmost non-terminals. Here we are applying from the rightmost non-terminals. Right? So hope you understood. So from this derivation you can simply draw the diagram. That means a tree. Okay, so hope you understood this one. If you are having any doubts regarding this leftmost derivation and the rightmost derivation, feel free to post your doubts in the comment section. Definitely I will try to clarify all your doubts. And if you really enjoyed my session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.